The journey of a self-made millionaire. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Journey. Today, we will dive into the inspiring story of a self-made millionaire. This is a journey of hard work, persistence, and smart decision-making. Let's explore how one person turned their life around, starting from nothing and achieving great success. Early life and struggles. Meet Daniel Carter. Born in a small town with limited opportunities, Daniel's family struggled financially. His parents worked multiple jobs to make ends meet. From a young age, Daniel understood the value of hard work and resilience. In school, Daniel was not the best student, but he was always curious. He loved reading about successful people, business ideas, and finance. However, due to financial difficulties, he had to start working at the age of 16 to support his family. Daniel took up small jobs, delivering newspapers, working at a local store, and even cleaning houses. Despite his hard work, money was always tight. However, he never let his situation define him. He dreamed of a better future and was determined to change his life. At night, after long hours of work, Daniel would read books about business and finance. He listened to motivational speeches and took notes on what successful people did differently. He realized that education didn't only come from school. It could come from self-learning and real-world experiences. The turning point. One day, while working at a grocery store, Daniel met a customer who was a successful entrepreneur. The two started talking, and the businessman shared some life-changing advice. If you want to be successful, never stop learning. Find a skill, master it, and provide value to people. Inspired by these words, Daniel started exploring different skills. He saved up enough money to buy an old computer and began learning about online businesses. He spent countless hours reading, watching tutorials, and practicing skills such as digital marketing, e-commerce, and investing. He faced many obstacles. His internet connection was slow. His computer would freeze often, and sometimes he felt discouraged. But he reminded himself that nothing good comes easy. He pushed through and continued learning, believing that every small step would bring him closer to his goals. Starting a business. After months of learning, Daniel decided to start his first online business, selling customized phone cases. With a small investment, he created a simple website and used social media to promote his products. At first, sales were slow. He faced many challenges: low traffic, marketing difficulties, and financial setbacks. But Daniel refused to give up. He studied his competitors, improved his products, and optimized his marketing strategies. He also started networking with other entrepreneurs. He joined online forums, attended business webinars, and connected with mentors who had experience in e-commerce. This helped him gain valuable insights and avoid common mistakes. After 6 months, his hard work started paying off. Sales increased, and he reinvested his profits to expand his business. Within 2 years, Daniel's online store became a well-known brand, generating thousands of dollars every month. His success allowed him to quit his job at the grocery store. For the first time in his life, he felt a sense of financial independence. But he knew this was only the beginning. Expanding success. Daniel did not stop at just one business. He diversified his income streams by investing in stocks, real estate, and creating online courses to teach others about entrepreneurship. His wealth continued to grow, and soon he became a millionaire. He traveled to different countries, learning from global entrepreneurs and expanding his knowledge. He also hired a team to help manage his businesses, allowing him to focus on bigger opportunities. However, Daniel never forgot his roots. He started a mentorship program to help young entrepreneurs, sharing his knowledge and experience to guide others on their path to success. He believed in giving back to the community and supporting those who were in the same position he once was. His journey was not just about making money. It was about creating a meaningful impact. He donated to charities, funded scholarships for underprivileged students, and supported small businesses through microloans. Challenges along the way. Even after achieving success, Daniel faced new challenges. The business world was constantly changing, and he had to adapt. There were times when sales dropped, investments failed, and competition became fierce. But Daniel had developed the mindset of a winner. Instead of panicking, he analyzed the situation, learned from his mistakes, and found new strategies to overcome obstacles. He learned the importance of patience and resilience. He realized that success is not a straight line. It is a journey filled with ups and downs. The key was to keep moving forward. Lessons from Daniel's journey. 1. Never stop learning. Knowledge is the key to success. Keep improving your skills and stay updated with industry trends. 2. Persistence is everything. There will be failures and challenges, but never give up on your dreams. 3. Invest wisely. Smart financial decisions will help secure your future. 4. Help others. Success is more fulfilling when you can share and uplift others. 5. Adaptability is key. The world changes fast. Stay flexible and open to new ideas. 6. Surround yourself with the right people. Mentors, friends, and business partners can make a huge difference in your journey. Daniel's journey shows that success is possible for anyone willing to work hard, stay committed, and never stop learning. His story is an inspiration to all who dream of achieving financial freedom. His journey also reminds us that wealth is not just about money. It's about knowledge, resilience, and the ability to create opportunities. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.